Hello, disheveled ones. Today we're going to be doing a Disheveled by Dawn first. This is the first time the channel has done this type of opening. Today we're going to be opening a video game, The Last of Us Part 2, the special edition. That cover is awesome. I love that cover. Nice book there, a little art book. Oh, and a steel book. Oh, that's beautiful. So nothing back there. But you always got to check, you know? I don't know if there's going to be spoilers in here. I probably shouldn't look through here too deep. We'll kind of give a little flip through. Yeah. Character designs and stuff like that. Yes. Really cool, guys. Alright, so are you guys getting this game? Are y'all playing it? I remember I got the first game back in 2013. Brought it home, and it was another summer game, so you know, just like this one was a birthday present. I booted it up, and I had a week off of work afterwards, and I sat there and played it and played it and played it, and I beat it. I'm hoping to be able to beat this one rather soon too. But we'll see. I also want to enjoy the game, so you know. I won't be streaming it. I see there's a lot of people streaming it. I figured I'd have no one watching me stream it anyway. So we'll be streaming our normal thing tomorrow night on Twitch. Probably GTA 5 or whatever. So if you want to come hang out and talk, come on down. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching the first ever opening of a video game on Disheveled by Dawn. Thank you, and as always, stay spooky.